Okay, Marshmallow, so we're gonna play MM2. Kahit bad naman ako sa laro. Nalaro tayo ng paano na yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Bakit ako magnanakaw dyan sa laro na yan? Ay, kala ko naman ipis. Ano ba kasi? Laro tayo ng MM2. 36%? Chinage ko na pa kanina pa. Pangat lang kasi yata battery. Ito ba yung murderer? Yung ano? Ay, ito pala. Camper ang puta. Takot lang tumatalo eh. Matatalo ka naman kahit mag-camp ka. You are very... Bobo ka talaga, Dahlia. Isa kang bobo. Takot batalo. Kala ko naman naka-speed yun. Takutin lang naman. Uy, construction egg ang puta. Ano mo yung itlog? Kunin mo yung itlog. Nakuha ko nga yung itlog na construction, no? Saan yung itlog kong construction? My newest rare eggs is the Dr. egg and the Speedy egg. Kotse. This is the egg that I got in that video. And you are not even getting that rare egg. See, that's a rare egg. Scared ka tamputa. Ayan, boom badoy. Boom badoy deserve. Boom iyot deserve. Boom bading deserve. Boom bayot deserve. Boom. Boom bitch deserve. Ay, patay. Patay ko ang sarili ko. Kasi di ako makagalaw. Camper kamputa mo. Yeah. I think I already have it. Ano kaya? Hotel 2 more than Hotel 4. Hotel 4. That girl is bobo. It's very bobo. Ay, putang ina. No wonder level 2 yun eh. Kaya nga camper. Level 2 kasi. Seed ba yan? Ay, kala ko seed doon sa Growa Garden. Hehehe. Ano ba yan? Wala kayong Patrick? Wala kayong Patrick Star? Ano naman, wala namang aircon. Kung walang aircon, eh. Diluwa! Sana hindi na yun camper. Kasi kainis yung camper. Gusto ko na kunin na yung gun at barilin niya. Kasi pro siya eh. Murderer, guys. Samon ba to? Ay, bobo. Uy. Isa kang negros. Kasi okay, mamamatay lang naman ako dito eh, diba? Kasi ako ay isang noob at siya ay isang pro. Kaya tayong high levels. Ano ko siya yung pinaka-high? Okay ka lang ba? Parang hairstyle ng buhok ng ano ko si Patrick. Si Patrick Star. Si Patrick Star. Bulbul. Ay, putang. Kaya ko na talaga. Isa kang CPR. Very good. So very good. Bayot. Sana may mag-iyot sa'yo. Ay, camper am. Ay, hindi pala. Nagawa nito. Di ka slick. Ano yan? Sewer ba yan? Galing ba yan sa factory water? Kasi ang gross na net polluted. Chelsea? Ay, si Ate Chelsea ang pinsan ko. Hindi pa mild base. Yung nga, mild milk base. Yes, milk base. Milk base is the best because this is my favorite map and it has big yard. More space to jukes. Ayun, ako. Just kidding. Kasi siya ay iyon. Naging gray. Si Patrick Star 8. Basta kainan sir. Kaya nakuha ko yung wish ko. Dati kala ko yung hero role na makukuha mo doon. Pero, ayun pala, innocent lang pala na nakakuha ng gun. Kasi dati, di po ako marunong maglaro ng ML2 back in the day. Kaya akala, sabi ko sa ate kong, pinsan, may hero po palang role. Rare role po ba yun? 3 roles yun pala. Hero lang pala. Innocent na may barel. Ayun, bobo ko back in the day. Katakski. Ay, galing nito. Ay, bobo. Bobo, ano yun? Ano ba yun? Delulu Ditch. Tangina. Tangina mo, targeter ka. Ayoko na nga. Ayoko na. Yes, Gabriel din ako. Galing na hitbox nito ah. Nakapante. Ito, may babae dito na exploiter. Ay nag-leave. Ano to? Si Messi ang po. Sana si Messi. Si 1 year. Sana si Messi. Si Messi naging pusi. This is not messy. This is pussy. This is not messy. This is so messy. Messi equals Messi. Messi the football player and Messi the messy room. Like trash all across the room. Tingnan mo, may bayot dun sa taas mo. May ghost ba tong innocent? Ay, Bob. Ay, Ken. Galing ng aim. Ang galing. Ay. High swing pa talaga. Sino ba kayong nag-attempt na mag-flip sa kanya? Baka lumipad lang siya. Rocket, yung PD egg. Yung car pala naging itlog. Bobo. This is not messy. This is pussy. Where is the map? Voting of the witch. Why is it office? The witch is here. I mean witchicles kasi 3 sila. Tatlo sila. Kaya witchicles doon sa kayo ng lola ko. Tapos si Walay lang, Willard, Winona, Willow, Winslet. Ano ba to? Bak may buhok yan? Bulbul ba yan? Ano to? Is that toilet water? Are you trying to drink toilet water of this shit? Ay, bayot. Ay, kani. I'm here at the pop skin. Dito ako mag-grinder. Ano ba yung grinder? Ay, push niya. Bobo ka. Ang bobo mo. Galing nito ah. Ang bagal niya. Okay. Para kang road rage. Ang bobo naman gawin. Are you tomboy? Are you trying to make pamilya? You're doing the rape. You are raping a girl. Even though you are a girl. Epic Hotel. Ganda ng knife nito. Ang rare. Red pa naman rarity nito. Ay, si Mochi. Ito ba si Ausik? Laki ng mukha. Parang si Yoshi next bot. Si Yoshi Kimura. Ay, hey. Saan ba kasi yung manok? They think an egg on a hay is associated with bunny? That's stupid. That's associated with chicken. A chicken. A hen. Not bunnies. You need Easter eggs. Not normal eggs. Because that's only chicken. Okay. Oh, ang pangit ng hitbox nito. Hi, Patrick Star. Ay. Bayot ba yan? Ano ba yan? Bayot! Naglag si Dora, oh. Doray, taray! Saan na yung Icewing Girl? Ayun yung Icewing Girl. Kaya mag-grind tayo kasama si Icewing Girl. Just kidding. We're grinding with the sheriff. Ninanakaw yung mga piso. Piso lang naman yan. The witch is here. And it has a Icewing knife. It's Elfa ba? Okay. Betlog. Ano uli yan? Baka yung itlog lang. Pero may bet. At na-remove yung eye. Bet. Tapos log. Log sa 3. Puting ina. Puting ina. Diba? Why ina? Ay, oh. Oh. Choir ba yun? O ano? Okay ba lang ka? Ay! Popo! Kangaroo tang. Uy, popo. Deserve my popo. Nahimatay ang isang kangaroo. Diba kangaroo to? Hayo naman. Ano hayo? Ano hayo? Ano hayo? Deserve ang toxic mo naman. Porket murder at by Icewing. Walang. Oh, tingnan mo. Kilay mo yan. Lipstick yan. Ba't may butas yung shirt mo? Ang daming butas. Butas pa sa dede. Anong camp? Bobo ka ba? Wala akong nakitang camp. Just kidding. I think she's camping because the innocent say so. And I think the murder is one of these pros. Because they look pro to me. I just did alright. Yes. No one knows. Because it's a mouth shot. The shot is massive as bobo ka. Ano yan? Ba't may umihilaw? Namatay mo na din deserve. Bobo. You are very bobo. Ay, innocent swing tuloy. Tangin mo. Yes. Bobo ka din. Sino kausap mo? Ang ina mo. Ako ay si Mr. Philippines. Hindi. Bobo ka din, Elish. Bobo. Siomai. I said siomai because it's my decision. Siomai. Bayot ka talaga. Transgender ka. Just kidding. Konti lang naman yung mga itlog ko. Isa pa lang. Isang regular egg nest. Musty hood rat friend. Oh, and yes, musty hood rat friend. What's musty hood rat's name again? Her name was Tiara. Hi, Tiara. You're bald. You're bald. Hey. Rar? What do you mean? The question mark. You are Tiara, the celebrity of TikTok. I saw you in Musty Hood Rats videos and yeah. Why is your baldness sticking out of your head? Okay, I'm gonna... I thought it was egg. This is kabobohan. Ang yaman ko. Tingnan mo yung mga money ko. Sana walang wallpaper dito kasi bobo sila. Spiral peppermint. I wanna call it spiral peppermint egg. Okay, sana maghanap ako ng rare egg. I'm searching for the rare egg. Ayun, nice. Ayun. Hinahanap ko pa ngayong rare egg eh. Walang rare egg, edi walang use. Tingnan ko pangalan. Okay, itong itlog. Kala. Ayan. My vision is bad. This looked like an egg earlier. Hello dear. Oh my goodness, it's a cat. That cat has earless. Okay, is that messy or very messy? Is it messy with an I or messy with a Y? Oh. Oh, why did you come back? Are you gonna kill me? I'm gonna call this purple glazed terracotta. That one's lime glazed terracotta. Yeah, oh my goodness. Is that the murder? Currency of LM2. Speaking of the witch, I'm not a sheriff! Ang ina mo. Tarantado ka talaga. Targeter ka pa. Ina mo, meron ka pang bald spots. Oh my goodness. Sana yan? Namulutang yung ulo ko, parang kaso na kalbo, wala pang entrails. Ay, organs pala po. Ay, kala ko may kutsilyo itong babae ito. Parang ng vision ko. Niluluto pa yung pretzel na sunog tuloy. Ako, may saan yung pretzel ko? Wala yung pretzel ko, magiging lechon. Hayop ba yan o tao? Naka-pampers pa. Ang laki. Big pampers. Big pampers. Big pampers. Big poop. I saw that one video on TikTok that had a baby walking on the beach with poops on his shoulders. Oh my goodness! No! No, don't kill me, you ugly! Oh. The fucking cat is the murder. Sorry, but I don't think this is a cat. Because look. Why is the mouth between your eyes? You look so cursed. You look so cursed, you badass. Why the sheriff left? Is that your ass? That's your ass? Oh, what are you aiming for? Ignores the AFK person cute. The hitbox. Beautiful. Oh, what's that? Kangaroo. With hair on the head. Anyway. Oh my Messi. Oh, this cat turned into a Russian sleep. Jumper. I said big poops because I just pooped last night and it was a nuclear bomb. Okay, put some pants on, miss. Put pants on. I'm gonna go ask this girl. You are trying to expose your pee hole and your birthing hole. What the? There's nothing. I'm not dealing with that today. I am not. Stop forcing me back in the mass. I'm gonna rejoin. Oh my goodness. Clizzy, dizzy, busy. Okay. Oh, it's this bitch. It's the camping bitch. Oh yeah, I have a friend that is a camper, so I'm gonna unfriend her because she is so annoying. Where's Aya? Where the fuck is Aya? Arfit hasn't been online ever since I talked to her like a bully. I mean him. Because she was being annoying and targeting me and him too. Just because I'm his friend. Oh my goodness. Where's Aya? Where are you? Oh, what a nice. Oh my goodness, it's SZA. Is this Aya? No, I'm not offending her. She seems innocent. Okay, I'm gonna join another server. And I don't want that. This zone is full of 12 people. And it's bald as fuck. Oh my goodness, what the heck? You're showing off your smooth head. Did you know that I am bald? Okay, I'm just gonna join Clizzy. How annoying. Whenever you tap the blue button, it teleports you to your friend even if you don't want to join him or her. Like, that's so annoying. Like, rotate right now, bitch. What the heck? Why is someone screaming? Oh hell no. It's full of pros. Oh, please just give me a normal server. Okay, we need a 3-person server with 3 people. But they're not pros and they're lower ranked than me. Oh my man face. Can I please just have a 3-person server? Oh my goodness, is that a Karen? You're bound! You're bound! Oh my goodness, what the heck is that? Is that sentient? That woman face makes me laugh. Oh my goodness, you're bald, you're smooth head. You're roundy. You're roundy than a planet. Bro, I just saw 3 people server earlier and now it's gone. Just put in a number count, saying I will search for a number. Okay, you fucking bitch. Please. Please. I am going 29%. I'm gonna charge first while finding a server. Okay, we're gonna stupid ass battery. Can I just stop recharging? You fuck bitch. What the fuck? You fucking bitch! Oh, stop it! Ah! Stupid. You fucking bitch. Okay, let me charge. We're finding a server! Stop! Prepare this fucking battery. Finally, 3 people. I'm gonna search for a nice 3 people server. Oh my chunkiness. What the heck is that? Are you crazy? Oh my goodness. Your headphones are floating, sir. It always has pros, but I'm just gonna join this one. Okay, I'm gonna play now and reach later when this video's done. Okay, let's see the ranks. They're pros. This is, ouch, my ear hurts. My ears hurt so bad. Oh. Oh no, you're lame. That's some good aim. Bago. Oh. Oh my goodness, nag-hump. May hunchback ito ah. Nakabago. Sa server. Sa server na ito. Okay. I'm gonna go play. Pwede man siya naman. Diba? Meron ka ng lalaki na mate. Tingnan mo. Hero victory, hindi count as sheriff. casual playing. Because I just want to when I don't want to lose my batteries. Why am I talking like a spoiled bitch? It's girl. What's the mean? Ooh. Ooh. What the fuck was that? What the fuck? Bitch. Tang ina tong my fan na! Tang ina mo. Oh, tang ina mo. Ano kasi yung bobo na yan? Nag-kid ka pa eh. Oh, tang ina mo. Shoot mo na lang yan. Ginagawa nito. Bobo ka? Are you bobo? Kung 3 players, edi wag na lang. Bye-bye, bitches. I just kidding, Mars.